Hello and welcome to Machine Learning Certification Training.
I'm Ronald van Loon. I'm director at the data analytics consultancy firm. I'm a blogger, I'm a vlogger, AI business coach, and a proud course advisor for Simplilearn. Joining with me in the machine learning course journey is another expert, John Quinn, who will be your instructor for this course. And before you get started, I should give you a bit of a background on him. He started his career in the world of finance, worked on Wall Street a bit, did his MBA from Columbia, and was a C-suite officer for several years, most often in the advertising and public relations industry. And what he saw over the 2 or 3 decades on his career is the quantification in the data-driven decision making. That's now an inherent necessity just to be a player in the market of advertising and public relations. He has done his master's in software engineering in Harvard, and he's a data scientist and an expert in computer vision. And among other things, he has built an end-to-end solution for an e-commerce company where one can shop by uploading an image and using computer vision, which is a subdivision of artificial intelligence. And in order to match the image uploaded by the user to the inventory of the e-commerce site. So let's get started with our exciting journey. And I'm sure you will enjoy the ride as much as we did while taking you through it.
Machine learning is one trendy innovation that has helped us to enhance not only several industrial and professional processes, but also advances everyday human life. Machine learning implementation is applied in most of the day-to-day applications. Some of them are image recognition, speech recognition, medical diagnosis, statistical arbitrage, learning associations, classification, prediction, extraction, regression, financial and banking services. During the course, we will get a detailed understanding of some of these implementations. The course objective will give you better insight into why you should learn machine learning and how you can get ahead in your career. So by the end of this course, you will be able to programmatically download the data and analyze it, check whether the data you gathered is valuable to your problem or not, explain data visualization, outline the outcomes and reports from your data set to operate on those data, master the art of data analysis by using IPython Notebook, gain insight into the role of a machine learning engineer, his roles and responsibilities, explain machine learning, its features and applications, perform operations with industry-based data and analyze them, learn the tools and techniques for predictive modeling, which is a process that uses data mining and probability to forecast outcomes such as stock prediction. Discuss the various machine learning algorithms, such as regression, classification, clustering, and their implementations. Also, you will be able to validate these machine learning algorithms. In the end, you will look at time series and other machine learning-related concepts. Topics that will be covered in this course are Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Data Pre-Processing, which includes data wrangling and manipulation, Supervised Learning, Regression, Feature Engineering, which helps you select a certain feature from the given data, Supervised Learning, Classification, Unsupervised learning, which helps you find previously unknown patterns in data sets that are neither classified nor labeled. Time series modeling. You will learn how to take sample values at equally spaced time intervals to conclude a model. Ensemble learning. It is generally used to solve a particular computational intelligence problem. Recommender systems. You will learn how e-commerce companies like Amazon and Flipkart use recommender systems to provide recommendations. And finally, text mining techniques. Skills that will be covered in this course are numerical analysis, machine learning algorithms, text analysis, data visualization techniques, data wrangling, and scalable machine learning models. You can also showcase these skills by working on 4 projects. In the first project, you will need to arrive at an income qualification model of the world's poorest families for the Inter-American Development Bank. In the second project, you will need to develop auto access models for Amazon's Employee Access Challenge. In the third project, you need to design algorithms for Uber that will calculate the fare for a taxi ride. In the last project, you need to tackle the curse of dimensionality and reduce the time that cars spend on the test bench of Mercedes-Benz. So let's start the machine learning certification training.